Question number 22. Y is less than or equal to x plus 7 and y is greater than or equal to negative 2x minus 1. Now whenever you have like one sign is less than or equal to and other sign is greater than or equal to, you can convert them into a compound inequality first. For example, this side is y, right? So y is here. Here I can put sign this and this. This is how it works, right? So now I will see this equation. Here y is greater than or equal to negative 2x minus 1. So that means it should come here so that y becomes greater than or equal to, and this x plus 7 is here. Now because this is less than this is less than this, so if I just delete this middle part from it, my equation will be negative 2x minus 1 is less than or equal to x plus 7. In this way, I'll be left with only one variable and it will be easy to solve it. Okay, now let's solve it. So question is negative 2x minus 1 is less than or equal to x plus 7. First, let's add 1 on both sides. Remember, when we add or subtract, there is no effect on inequality. That means inequality remains the same. So this is equal to plus 1, 8. Now subtract x on both sides. Again, I am subtracting. So negative 2x minus x is less than or equal to 8. Negative 3x is less than or equal to 8. Now here is a concept. Whenever you multiply or divide with a negative sign, the inequality reverses. So if I divide by negative 3 on both sides, it will become, okay, x negative 8 by 3. That means x has to be greater than, because all the options are integer, so let me write it in the form of integer. It has to be greater than negative 2.6, right? So you see, negative 14 is deleted because that value of x is not possible. So B, C and D all are satisfying A, x, but we also have to solve for y. Now let's take any equation and solve for a y. Let's take y is less than or equal to x plus 7. That is our first equation. So y is less than or equal to negative 2.6 plus 7. So y is less than or equal to 4.4. That means y has to be less than this. That means first of all, y cannot be negative value. So this is, yeah, it can be a negative value, but it cannot be greater than 4.4. So this is deleted, right? Which two values left? This or this? Do you think so? Because x has to be greater than, so this and this are satisfying. Now you have to check from B and D. Just see, because y is less than 4.4, so this is the point which is satisfying both of them. Now what do you think? Does this point satisfy? It's my DIY for you. Why not this point is satisfying our options? Try to think, ask in comments. If you do not understand, I'll tell you.